guys, it's Camille. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a huge surprise for you. Yeah, that's right. So you know how we haven't been videoing in a long time. Okay, so we haven't been videoing in a long time because we've been traveling for a long time. Then when we came back home, I wasn't feeling very well. Then I've been feeling sick for a few days. Well, actually a week. Then we got some good news. You know how we got new ducks, right? Well, we got new chickens. So these are our ducks now. They grew a lot. Yes, we got a new coop. And the ducks literally grew overnight. They get so big. So big. They were just splashing in the water. And then we got new chickens. We got 2 hens. A hen that's about to have eggs. Seriously, about to have eggs. Then we got a huge rooster. Right? That little fella right there. And I think those 2 look alike right there. That one and that one. Our boyfriend and girlfriend, or husband or wife. But I don't know. And then the 2 hens that are little, white and gray, they are 2 sisters. But then we just got 1 hen, and the ducks were kind of mean to them. So yeah, and then we decided that we wanted to get the other hen with the sisters. So then it came along right away, and all went good. And then we got new chickens. So yeah, and we got a huge coop too. Thanks for a fella, my dad's friend. Look how big it is. The coop tour. We're gonna do a tour about this coop. So, this is inside. There's lots of poop there. And look at them just splashing along. And then when we go right here, this slides up for them to go through. And guys, comment down below if you think the rooster can fit through that thing or not. Ew. I think I just stepped in poop. That's so gross. Ew. Blech. So, I just stepped in poop. Yeah, I don't have any shoes on. Ew. Ew. Okay, so, and then they have a bowl of water. It looks nasty. And then food. So yeah. Yeah. And so this is the duck side, this is the chicken side. So the rooster has been cock-a-doodle-doo on a lot. We got one video my mom did. Oh, the mailman's here. So, this is where the rooster, yes, the hens have eggs, but they actually go on top of it and poop on it. Yeah. I don't know where the hens, the chickens went, but, yeah. Oh, I hear them over there. Oh, there they are. So, we have new names. So, So my parents named them. So the rooster is Clark. And then the hen, that's boyfriend or wife, I don't know, is Bertha, I don't know, Big Bertha. And the two sisters are Betty, and I don't know, Betty and someone. I forgot. But yeah, they just are a couple. Those two sisters are always together, and then those two that look exactly the same are together. What a family. They always follow each other. The ducks always follow each other. And yeah. And the chickens, the roosters, the ducks love to eat this hay. There's hay all around. And every day we have chicken food and duck food. And we have a handful and throw it all around the ground, and then they eat it and scratch it. So yeah, they eat apples, pears, fruit. Yeah. See, and guys, if you didn't know, I have weird rashes all over me that itch a lot. I don't know. But yeah. Okay. See, guys? You just did it. You just did it. You just did it 2 times. I got it on camera. Oh yeah. Do it again. Guys, got it 3 times now on camera. Oh yeah. I got it on camera. I can't believe I just got it on camera, guys. You just did it 4 times now. Do it again. Do it again.
Haven't heard that. Where's he at? Inside?
I got it on video.
Is he inside?
No. That is so funny, guys. You just did it. Oh no. Now 5 times. I got it 5 times. And on video, you guys saw it. Yeah. 6 times. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. You did it again. I can't believe you did it again. Guys. Yeah. You know me. I can't believe we just did it a lot of times. Got it on camera several times, and I got it when he was like, ah, ah, ah. Oh yeah. Okay. He's probably just gonna do it over and over and over again. I mean, you never know. But yeah, you guys just saw what he just did. Oh, he might do it again. have no. I do not know how many times he just did it, but he did it several times in a video. You guys saw it. So cute. Oh my gosh. Well, that's it for today's vlog. Hope you liked it. Can't believe how many times he just. I can't believe how many times he just did it. But yeah, like and subscribe to this video. Big thumbs up. And comment down below if you thought that was funny when he. And yeah, see y'all next time. Goodbye.